Click Auth Account Management, add an account. Fill in the account name, password and traffic usage limit. Make sure it is enabled. Click to confirm. Click on User and Pass Auth. Select country, state, city and auth account. Scroll down to select the session type. Click on Generate command. Copy the command and open ClonBrowser. Open proxy. Add a remote proxy. Fill in the name. Paste the command you just copied, then fill in the corresponding parameters. Test the connection. Click Save after successful connection. Then click on File Configuration. Add a new browser configuration file. Give a file name. Choose a proxy. Use the proxy you just configured. Test if the connection is successful. Finish creating. Start running. This is the proxy details. It means the setup is successful. Now you can surf the internet safely.